Welcome to Conservasphere, an innovative power plant, water generator and greenhouse capable of generating vast amounts of green power, fresh water and biomass, and absorb CO2 emissions. So how does it work? An innovative air-supported greenhouse captures moisture from the biomass grown and uses a hygroscopic solution to collect and convert moisture into pure water. High-tech fabric solar collectors supply heat to the thermal storage tank, where phase change material delivers steam to a condensing turbine to generate solar thermal power. Waste heat is delivered to the greenhouse, maximising biomass yield, which can be sold or used to firm electricity supply seasonally. Modelling of a 50 megawatt electric plant with 12 hours thermal storage shows an ROI of 12% without government subsidies. Water generation from atmospheric air shows an ROI of 30%, and a fully integrated Conservasphere an ROI of 15% or more. Compared to water-hungry, CO2-emitting coal-fired electricity plants, Conservasphere will use zero water and emit zero CO2, and it will produce water that will grow CO2-absorbing biomass. We're Team Conservasphere, delivering an energy ecosystem now that will positively impact the environment on an unprecedented scale.